Hello, grade twos and threes. Here is your second lesson for making words. I promised some of you that I would make it a little bit more challenging this week, so you will need 10 letters today, and your job is to see if you can figure out the mystery word using all 10 letters by the end of the lesson. So I just have scissors, a marker, and a scrap piece of paper from my recycle bin. You can use sticky notes again if you want, or this works fine too. So you will need the letter E, two E's actually, one I. You need a G, an H, an N, an R, T, V, and a Y. Okay, so I'll write that up here too, just so you have something to look at when I go ahead and cut these. Okay, so you can always pause the video to go and cut these and then just play it when you're ready. But it doesn't take very long to cut them out. If you remember my trick, I lined them up into 2 rows so that I could cut them easily, because I just cut them in half once and then kind of put my papers on top of each other. And I can cut them 10 letters out really quick, just like that. Okay, let's get started. I like to put my letters out at the bottom just so I can always see what I've got. And I pay attention to the vowels because that will really help me figure out the spelling for some of these words. And really, there's just E and I. That's it for vowels. So here we go. First word, spell the 3-letter word her. Her. And we spell her H-E-R. Her. I'll write the letters or the words for you down the side of the board just in case I'm going too fast, so that you can always stop it and practice spelling the word yourself if you need to. It's important that you're rearranging the letters to spell the word so that your brain sees it. So there we go, her. Now add 1 letter to change this word into the word here. Here. So all I'm going to do is add an E at the end. Here. H-E-R. E. That silent E kind of, we always say it said in class, it bonks the vowel in the middle on his head and says, say your name. E, here. Okay, spell the 4-letter word give. Give. G, I, V. And I said 4 letters, so that must mean this one has a silent E. Give. Now in this case, I is not saying its name. So here's yet another example in the English language of words that just don't follow the rules. This one is give, but we still spell it with that silent E, but we don't say give. The E doesn't make I say I. So this is kind of an oddball. Give. And the only way we get better at spelling those words is to see them. So to get better at it, you actually have to do it. So there you go. Give. Add 1 letter to change this into giver. She is a giver of kindness. Giver. So I hear that R sound on the end. Giver. G-I-V-E-R. Spell the 5-letter word thing. Thing. So hopefully 2 things. Your brain is remembering when you made that sound, your tongue touched your teeth, your top teeth. So that means it starts with a TH. Ing, that's a common suffix we add to a lot of our spelling words, is spelled I-N-G. Thing. T-H-I-N-G. Oops, wrong one. Thing. The cool thing about this word, you can rearrange it, so don't add or take away any letters. Rearrange it to spell night. Night. So I have to move the N to the front. Ite. And I know ite sounds like just I-T, but it's actually spelled I-G-H-T. And I don't say Nigahut, I say night. That's G-H is silent. N-I-G-H-T. Now, if you know how to spell night, you can use this to spell a whole bunch of rhyming words. Right, light, bright, night, like soldier, knight. So once you know how to spell one way, the spelling patterns are often the same in words that rhyme. Night. So then how would I spell right? This is my right hand. Well, I know the end is going to stay the same. They rhyme, so I'm just going to change one letter in the beginning. R, R-I-G-H-T, right. Spell the 5-letter word three, the number 3. I have 3 daughters. 3. There's that tongue touching your top teeth again. That must be a TH. Three. T-H-R-E-E. I need that double E vowel pattern there to give me the E sound. T-H-R-E-E. 3. From here, rearrange those letters to spell the 5-letter word there. There. I used to go there when I was a kid. There. So there is a place word, and all we do is split the E's and put the R in the middle. There. So T-H-E-R-E. Now the weird thing about this word is, here's the spelling for here. There has the word here in it, but we don't say there. We say there. So again, yet another kind of oddball word that really doesn't make sense to spell it out. You have to just know it by sight. So we just practice them over and over. And there, this is the meaning of a place there. What about there? This is their house. How would I spell that? Or this is their favorite holiday. This one has a the in the front, but I'm going to add an I. And again, like I always tell you, there's so many rules. When 2 vowels go walking, the first one does a talking. So this should make an E sound, but it's not there, it's there. So this is just a word you need to know by sight. You just have to keep practicing it. So T-H-E-I-R is the spelling of there when you talk about something that belongs to them. There. Spell the 5-letter word every. Every. I like every kind of cake there is. Every. So I always think, well, spell ever first. Ever. And I know 2-syllable word, ever, has to have a vowel in each syllable. So this doesn't make sense. I need to have a vowel with that second syllable. And it's an E. Ever. E-V-E-R. So then how would I spell every? I need to add that Y on the end. I've already used both my E's. Doesn't make sense to have the I on the end. So every. Ever plus a Y. Every. Spell the 6-letter word either. I don't like fish much either. Either. Now this one's interesting. My tongue touched the top teeth in the middle of that word, so I know there's going to be a TH in the middle. And it starts with an E, ends with an So if I go back to her, giver, that ER sound is in this word. But I know it's 6 letters. And this actually says ether. I need it to be either. Ether is a scientific name. Either is, I don't like that either. E-I-T-H-E-R. That's a tricky one. Either. Now in this case, when the 2 vowels are together, E does say its name first, its sound first, so we get either. Now if you know how to spell either, spell neither. That's easy, right? We just grab the N and we stick the end in the front. N-E-I-T-H-E-R. The rest of the word is all the same. So you have 3 letters left, a V, a Y, and a G. See if you can figure out the mystery word using all 10 letters. Good luck. If you figure it out, you can always comment below this folder in your fresh grade. Have a good day.